Hi, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how I use my Gua Sha tool here to really help with the double chin and the jawline. We're going to do some great massage exercises using this tool and then finishing off with the all-important lymphatic drainage. So we'll also be helping for glowing skin and releasing toxins and waste which can develop around the jawline area. Hi, my name's Ali and I've been a facialist for the last 7 years, and I'm really passionate about facial massage, lymphatic drainage and facial yoga. So I like to start off with clean skin, and you also want to make sure that your tool, your Gua Sha tool, is nice and clean as well, so you're not transferring any bacteria. And you don't have to, but as always I like to use a rosehip oil or some form of facial oil, just so you've got kind of like a little slip and glide. You don't need too much, just a couple of drops onto the fingers. Or if you have a favourite face cream, you could use that too, because whatever you apply to your skin, it's going to penetrate in even better and deeper using the Gua Sha tool. So first of all, I'm just applying just above the jawline and under the jawline, and then just down by the side of the neck. So what I'm going to do first with the tool, I'm going to start on the top part here, placing one hand as an anchor, and then just placing the tool under the chin area and just very gently glide under the chin towards the ears. Now we have plenty of lymph nodes in this area, so really helping moving everything along. And you want a really nice light touch here. I also like to use my Gua Sha tool fairly flat for more surface area. If you like, it's real preference. You can actually have it slightly more at an angle. I like to use it fairly flat. When you get to the ear, just give it a little wiggle here. And then on the other side, fingers as an anchor onto the chin and just very gently glide along. We're doing this 5 times on each side. And 4 and 5. So now let's work more of the done under the chin area and the jawline. So now let's work where the bone is. So again, using this part here, hand as an anchor, and I'm just now coming slightly further up and gliding along towards the ear. And again, let's just do this 5 times on each side. Now Gua Sha tools do come in various different materials. So for instance, they can also be rose quartz, clear quartz, or even a metal. Although I've got to say I do personally prefer to use a natural material, if you like. And let's just do this 2 more times here. Actually forgotten counting. And then again on the other side. Fingers just as an anchor, so we're not dragging at the skin. Now, if you like, you can always place your tool first of all as well in the fridge if you want something slightly cooler on the face as well, which can actually be quite good if you have any inflammation. So now we've done that, where our chin is here, we have a nice little acupressure point. So I'm just using the corner part here, the bottom part of the tool, and I'm just massaging one way and then the other. And then we're going to take again this part first, and I'm just going to gently glide all the way along the jawline towards the ears. 2. Again, we do it 5 times on each side. Nice and flat. And last time on this side here. And then on the other side. And it really is quite nice to have a facial oil. You do tend to find a sort of better glide with the Gua Sha tool, particularly if you have older skin and you're starting to lose elastin within the skin. And I am in my mid-50s now, so obviously, you know, I don't want to be dragging and pulling at it. And one last time here. And then just coming all the way along with the tool on the largest parts, almost like a bow, gliding all along the lower part of the face. And 5. And then on the other side. Also smoothing out any fine lines and wrinkles in the process, almost like a double bubble if you like. And then we're going to take the tool, again on this part, from the collarbone. We're lifting up along the collarbone, along the neck, towards the jawline. And then again, gently glide along the jawline. You may want to swallow while you're doing this. And then cupping, literally, this part's here, behind the ear. And then you want to glide down that big SCM muscle down to the collarbone. Let's just do this a few times here. So you can lift it up all the way along the jawline. Can come down again if the front and behind the ear as well, where we have plenty of lymph nodes. And then down that big SCM muscle down to the collarbone. And let's just do this. Whoops, easy to drop. And then let's just do this one last time on this side. So lifting up to the jawline and the chin area, along the jawline, maybe just a couple of light presses in front and behind the ear where we have plenty of lymph nodes, and then cupping behind the ear, and then just glide down the SCM muscle down to the collarbone. And then on the other side, so again, I like to hold, just gently lift up towards the jawline. And then just glide a few times, front and behind. And then just cup with this part here, down the big SCM muscle, down to the collarbone. And let's just do this 2 more times on this side before our final lymphatic drainage release. Glide along, and in front of the ear, and then behind the ear. And then with this part here, just cupping by the ear, and then gliding down the SCM muscle. And then for the last time, from the collarbone here, lifting up, gliding along the jawline towards the ear, a couple of times just to in front and behind the ear where we have plenty of lymph nodes, so moving everything down. And then again with the longer parts here, which cups quite nicely behind the ear, down that big SCM muscle, down to the collarbone. And then for our final lymphatic drainage release, from our chin all the way down where our collarbone is, we have some indentations, and if you can just give those a few gentle presses, this will release all the toxins and waste we've moved whilst using our Gua Sha tool around the jawline area into the body, ready for elimination. And hopefully by this point you should have a slightly more snatched, lighter jawline, because if there's any inflammation around this area, we'd have actually moved it across and out of the body, so, into the rest of the body. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please consider subscribing. I will place another playlist just here. If you'd like to join me there, that would be great. And also a thumbs up. Tell me where you're from as well in the comments down below. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.